Hello Houseplant friends, welcome back to another new video. So I'm currently editing the video right now, but I forgot to film an intro and an outro. But today we're gonna go to Walmart and see what they have in stock for houseplants, like materials and supplies, like pots, saucers, little cute shovels that were so freaking cute, and some like really adorable greenhouses, small terrariums basically. But yeah, also I want to apologize for like the lack of energy in this video. It was a mess that day, but I still had to like go to Walmart and film a video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, without any further ado, let's go shopping to Walmart. And like I said, if you enjoy these type of videos, let me know so I can go to like other Walmart stores or to like Marshall or any other place that they sell like pots or saucers or like houseplant supplies, houseplant tools. I don't even know like the exact term of this, but hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, let's just go to Walmart and see what they have in stock. Hey guys, so we're at Walmart now and I'm gonna try something new, which is showing y'all a lot of great things that they have here at Walmart. I just went to their plant section. They really didn't have a lot of stuff, but they have some great like pots and like terrariums. So they have gloves for $9.76, which are great for repotting like cactuses so you don't get poked. These pots are so cute. It's $2.50 for a 4-inch. And these 6-inch pots are $4.97, which is a great price. And it also has a little saucer which is glued on, but it's pretty easy to like take out the water. You just like tilt it. It's pretty cute. And this 8-inch planter is $7.94, which is not a bad price. And then these really cute ones. Honestly, that is such a cute combination. Better Garden Homes 4-inch planter. We also got a this looks different. A 5-inch. This is a 4-inch. This is like 3.5 inch. I don't know. These are pretty cute too. Look at these baskets. So these hanging ones are $12.96. 8-inch. These are pretty nice too. $14.97 for a 12-inch pot. Those have a little drainage thing, drainage hole. It'd be great for like a plant that likes to spill over, like a string of pearls. It also has some nice baskets, which I think these are not real baskets. These are like is it terracotta? No. Concrete planters that are shaped that look like baskets. They also have a drainage hole and they're $8.94. Pretty cute. They also have these as well. Same thing. You can hang it. Pretty cute. Some baskets. Oh, this is great. $26.97 for a 15-inch basket. Planter. This is pretty great. This is so good. One for a fiddle. One for my Drancina. Also got a smaller version, a 12-inch for $19.97. And then they have a 10-inch Drancina. A lot of stuff. Now they have some gray ones. Like it's like modern. Oh, it's like glued in there. So it's like $13.42. It's just so cute. cute little terrarium, 6-inch. This is so cute. Oh my god. Little succulents. Oh, these are pretty great. Like it's 2 misty plants. Yeah, water mister for $4.97. And these terrariums are $12.97. It's pretty good. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. It's a little set for $9.84. And it has a wooden handle construction with metal tips, rake, shovel, brush, and tweezers. It's so cute. They also have the terrariums, a 10-inch, $19.84. And some sand, $4.97. The rocks as well. Cute. Oh, I have a small little greenhouse. This is the one that I ended up getting. It's pretty cute. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's really stuck in there. There's another one. And I got some sauces. 47 cents. 46-inch. Honestly, guys, Dollar Tree has these. They're a little bit thinner, but they're just sauces for $1, and they have like packs of them. So, but it's not bad. What is this? Interesting. So sick. $9.92.
Too big.
Excuse me. Some plant stands. Such a cute marble. $5.47. That's so cute. $6.94. Just so interesting. Put a plant in the middle. Some macrames. $7.97. Oh, this is pretty. I love this little plant table. $14.74. Oh, there's only one left. That's cute. Plant stands. $49.97. Set of 2. It's not a bad price. Liners. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this new video. If you did, like I said, please give it a big thumbs up to let me know that you would like to see more videos like this one. Subscribe if you haven't to join this crazy plant journey with us, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!